Welcome to Sri Lanka, an island nation nestled in the warm waters of the Indian Ocean, where ancient history intertwines with breathtaking natural beauty. Often referred to as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean, Sri Lanka offers a tapestry of vibrant culture, rich history, and awe-inspiring landscapes. Join us now as we embark on a journey to uncover the wonders of this island paradise. From ancient cities steeped in legend to verdant hills carpeted in emerald green tea plantations, we'll traverse diverse landscapes and immerse ourselves in the warmth of Sri Lankan hospitality. Get ready to explore the most visited and breathtaking places this beautiful island nation has to offer. And for the most immersive experience, make sure to watch in stunning 4K. Our journey begins in Sri Lanka, where a dramatic rock formation pierces the sky. This is Sigiriya, also known as Lion Rock, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Rising over 600 feet, it was once the royal citadel of King Kasyapa. As we ascend the stone steps, we retrace the footsteps of ancient kings. The intricate frescoes offer a glimpse into ancient Sri Lankan artistry. At the summit, the panoramic views are breathtaking. Our journey takes us to Kandy, nestled amidst rolling hills and mist. Here lies the Temple of the Sacred Tooth relic, vital for Buddhists worldwide. It houses a Buddha relic, a tooth, brought over 1600 years ago. Encased in a gem-adorned golden casket, it draws thousands annually. The temple showcases traditional Kandyan artistry with intricate carvings and frescoes. Leaving the cultural heartland behind, we venture into the wilds of Sri Lanka. To Yala National Park, where nature reigns supreme. Yala boasts one of the highest leopard densities in the world. A mosaic of jungle, grasslands, and lagoons. A leopard emerges, a symphony of grace and power. Herds of elephants roam freely. Crocodiles bask in the sun. As the sun sets, we leave Yala, changed by the wild heart of Sri Lanka. Chapter 4. Galley. Echoes of a colonial past. Our journey takes us now to the southern coast of Sri Lanka, to the historic city of Galley, a place where the past lingers at every corner. Founded by the Portuguese in the 16th century and later fortified by the Dutch, Galley is a fascinating blend of cultures and architectural styles. At the heart of Galley lies the Galley Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that stands as a testament to the city's colonial past. As we wander through the cobbled streets, we are transported back in time, surrounded by Dutch colonial buildings, ancient churches, and grand mansions with breezy verandas. Galley is a place where time seems to stand still, a place where the echoes of the past mingle with the vibrancy of the present. Chapter 5. Yala. Where serenity meets adventure. From the coastal plains, we ascend into the cool, misty hills of Sri Lanka's tea country, our destination, the charming town of Yala. Surrounded by emerald green tea plantations, cascading waterfalls, and mist-shrouded peaks, Yala is a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. The rolling hills, carpeted in tea bushes, create a mesmerizing patchwork of green, while in the distance, waterfalls cascade down sheer rock faces, their misty spray creating rainbows in the sunlight. For the adventurous, Yala offers plenty of opportunities to connect with nature. We hike through lush forests to reach the summit of Yala Rock, where panoramic views of the surrounding countryside await. As the sun sets, casting long shadows over the hills, we find ourselves drawn to the serenity of Yala, a place where time seems to move a little slower. Chapter 6. Dambulla. the cave temple of golden treasures. Our journey takes us to the Dambulla Cave Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and sacred pilgrimage site for over 2,000 years. Carved into a towering rock, it showcases faith and artistic expression. Inside, we find wonder and tranquility. 5 caves with over 150 Buddha statues and vibrant murals depict Buddhist mythology. The Dambulla Cave Temple is a sanctuary of art, history, and spirituality. Chapter 7. Marissa, where the ocean meets paradise. We journey to the southern coast of Sri Lanka, to Marissa, where sun-drenched beaches meet azure waters. The warm Indian Ocean breeze caresses our faces, greeting us with pure tranquility. Palm trees sway gently, casting shadows, while fishing boats bob on the turquoise waters. Marissa is renowned for its laid-back charm and vibrant marine life. Snorkeling reveals a kaleidoscope of colourful fish. We also see graceful sea turtles and playful dolphins. On a whale-watching expedition, we spot a giant blue whale breaching the surface. Chapter 8. Polonnaruwa, Whispers of a Lost Kingdom. Our journey takes us to the heart of Sri Lanka's cultural triangle, to the ancient city of Polonnaruwa, once a thriving capital and a testament to the island's glorious past. As we wander through the ruins, overgrown with jungle vines and guarded by ancient stone lions, we are transported back in time to an era of kings and queens, palaces and temples. Polonnaruwa was the seat of Sri Lankan kings from the 11th to the 13th centuries AD, a period of great prosperity and artistic achievement. We marvel at the scale and grandeur of the royal palace complex, its massive granite columns still standing tall despite the passage of time. At the Gal Vihara, we stand in awe before 4 colossal Buddha statues carved out of granite, their serene faces radiating an aura of tranquility that transcends time. Chapter 9. Nuwara Eliya, a touch of England in the tropics. From the ancient cities of the cultural triangle, we journey to the cool, misty hills of Sri Lanka's tea country, to a place that seems transported from the English countryside, Nuwara Eliya. Nestled amidst rolling hills carpeted in emerald green tea plantations, Nuwara Eliya is a world away from the tropical heat of the lowlands. The air is cool and crisp, scented with the aroma of pine and eucalyptus, while mist hangs heavy in the valleys, creating an ethereal atmosphere. We visit colonial-era bungalows with their sprawling gardens, remnants of a bygone era when British planters sought refuge from the heat of the lowlands. As the sun sets, casting long shadows over the hills, we find ourselves captivated by the charm of Nuwara Eliya, a place where the old world collides with the new. Chapter 10. Pinawala, a sanctuary for gentle giants. Our journey culminates in a place that embodies compassion and conservation, the Pinawala Elephant Orphanage. Established in 1975, Pinawala has become a sanctuary for orphaned and injured elephants, a place where these gentle giants are given a second chance at life. As we enter the orphanage, we are greeted by the sight of dozens of elephants of all ages roaming freely in a spacious enclosure. We watch in awe as playful young calves chase each other, their trunks raised in the air, while older elephants bathe in the river, their wrinkled skin glistening in the sunlight. The Pinawala Elephant Orphanage is not just a tourist attraction, it's a model for elephant conservation, a place where orphaned and injured elephants are rehabilitated and, when possible, reintroduced into the wild. As our journey through the wonders of Sri Lanka draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of awe and appreciation for this island nation. From ancient cities steeped in history to breathtaking natural landscapes, Sri Lanka has captured our hearts with its beauty, its warmth, and its enduring spirit. We hope that this journey has inspired you to experience the magic of Sri Lanka for yourself. From the moment you set foot on this enchanting island, you'll be greeted with warm smiles, vibrant culture, and a sense of adventure that will stay with you long after you've left. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing travel content. Until next time, keep exploring.